Hello again. This is my second video about my mini lathe, which in a couple of days it took me several hours to put them on work. So this is what I have done until now. I did a control and connection panel who has left, 0 right, has also low speed, 0 and high speed. I will show you in a couple of minutes. I did this box and I put some pictures in a previous video with a slideshow with all the pictures. I've made some adjustments to the support for the engine. As you can see from the last time I already cut this piece because in the future I intend to use this piece, who was the original mounted on a motor, but it was too big, 2.2 kilowatts, and was also at 380 volts. So for me, living into an apartment, it's not necessary. So I will try to change sometimes this with this one. Has also 3 steps, which this is his sister. Okay, let's see. I put this electrical cord. Doesn't look very nice, it's an old cord, but as long as it's in a perfect shape, it will provide me the necessary feed. Okay, you're gonna see now. Okay, we have power, and now I have to, okay, I'm gonna put this on to right rotation. I will start with the low speed, and this is working in clockwise direction. One thing I'm not very sure, the noise. I'm not very pleased about the noise, but I don't know what is this for. I hope in the future to fix this. So, oh, sorry. Oops. Sorry, I touched the zoom. Okay, I will turn this on high speed, same direction here, which means clockwise direction. Nice and smooth. It's working very good. On the motor they say high speed 1000 watts, 2800 rpm, and at the low speed 320 watts at 420 rpm. And I will have also the possibility to change the speed from all these 3, and I can do that because the engine actually slides on these two nice and smooth brackets which supports the engine. Okay, 0. I choose to have 0 on the middle to avoid temptation, and sometimes it's possible to forget you have in an opposite direction, to not change suddenly the direction. So I choose this because I think it's the best for me and my protection also. Okay, left, low speed. I think that noise depends from the brackets because are not fixed definitely yet. Okay, 0 again, and high speed, same direction to the left. I don't know, it's gonna be necessary so high speed in the opposite direction, but as long as it works, I choose to have it. Okay. And also I have the possibility to slide the engine very smooth like this one. I can do this. As you can see, I have the possibility to move this in order to change the speed, and if I want to tighten a little bit the drive belt, I've done this system. It's not finished yet, it's just, as you can see, I can tie it from here, the belt. I don't know, you're gonna see it, but it's not necessary now. So this is what I have done, and I think now I'm ready to start produce something. I'm so excited to do this, but what I have left done is to put a lamp here. It's just I choose to do this, and you can put the cable through inside. I don't know, you can see it. It's a hole inside of this pipe for the electrical feed. Okay. And of course I didn't forget, but I didn't have time to do it. It's protection for the drive belt. I promise I will do it before I start working, and also I have to cover the engine and the connections with I don't know, perhaps I will do something from copper, from wood, I don't know. I'm not have the materials yet, I'm still studying. Well, just a thing, all the electrical connection, I've done it following this. I hope you will see this. If someone is interested, just send me a message and I will email to you in order to solve your problems. So for the moment, this is all. I hope I see you soon with some news. Thanks for watching, and I will expect your postings. Bye bye.